All right, folks, we're packing up all the gear to head on out to Mountain Creek. Joe's going to be here any minute. We're going to jump in his car, and then we're heading down to the creek to meet my buddy Nick. All right, Joe's here. Here's Joe. Hi, Joe.
Good morning.
Hey.
Happy Sunday.
He had more to say. All right, so we're going to get ready to get going now. I'm going to show you Joe's truck. He's got a new rack on his truck. He wanted to get this rack because he wanted to be cool like all the rest of us. So I'm going. Here we are. Pretty freaking nice. Right, Joe? Nice rack, Joe. Haha.
I like
All right.
the rack.
All right, nice rack. I like your rack, Joe. All right, we're heading over to Mountain Creek now to meet up with Nick. Here we are at Mountain Creek. We're gonna wait for Nick. He should be here any minute, and we will go and do our thing. There's Joe again.
Our thing.
Dang. Here's Nick. Hey! Nick's got a new full squish. Here he is. Nick's coming out of the car. Nick's putting down his left foot. Nick's putting down his right foot. There's Nick. Hey, Nick, how you doing? Nick,
What's up, guys?
Hey.
How we doing?
All right, man. Woo! All right, here we are at Mountain Creek. All the guys are gonna go do some riding. YouTube. Cannondale demo bike day. Let's go break somebody else's bike. Apparently, it's a private demo. So we're nobodies. So I'm not sure if we're gonna get to ride any of these bikes, but they brought a lot of bikes out here today. All right, small change of plans. Gang's all here, and Nick's behind me. Hi, Nick. Yo, he's here. They no longer sell the $10 cross-country ticket, so it's $45 to go up there, which is not a bad deal if you're gonna ride it all day long. But if you're just going up for like literally one run to ride cross-country, that's a lot of money. They also said they're not maintaining the cross-country trails, so I'm glad I got that GPX file from Shane, because I don't know where the hell we're going to be going. So anyway, still going to be a good time. We're all still here. We're just parking up on the top of the mountain and going to do something different. We wanted to go to Hamburg Mountain anyway, right? So there we are, Hamburg Mountain.
Here we go.
Cool. All right, so we're going in here. I'm pretty sure right up here,
Is this where we go, right?
we're going to make a right. If you make the left, that's where you go to the pavilion and everything. And we're going to make a right. And this is, there's a sign right there. So look at that. Look, there's a loop. See the Cannondale sign?
Oh,
So this,
I hope they're not coming down.
that's for the
private.
the private. The big boys club, right? Yeah, we don't get to go to that one, right?
Nope.
There we go. Nope. All right, Mountain Creek is right there.
Nice.
Mountain Creek's right. My finger. Yeah, pull my finger right there.
Yeah, I'm not pulling it.
Pull my finger. Okay. All right, here we are. We're up at the top of the mountain by the yellow gate. Apparently they're having a Cannondale thing. Well, I showed you that already. And it's all mapped out for the Cannondale riders, so we can go and follow those trails. It should be a good time, and we're all set. So we're gonna get riding now. Here we go. So we're gonna make a left and follow the sign, just so that we can be on trails with everything, you know.
Climb a little bit.
Climb, well, yeah, we're good. Yeah.
Get warmed up.
We're climbing one way or the other. Exactly.
Every time he leaves.
Anytime I lead a ride, we always end up on the damn hills. There we go. Whoa! Why do I hit the stupidest little... Oh well. Going down. Tree, watch the tree there. Damn. This might have been one of the climbs that Shane had to do, remember?
God.
Whoa! Whoa! Damn it! Hit that rock wrong. This is definitely that part, Joe.
This is it right here.
Yep. I misshifted. Damn it. Yep. That's part. Now the course goes back that way. Here again? Didn't we just go in here? There's somebody.
I don't think Joe.
Is he supposed to ride that fast? Son of a bitch.
Like barely pedaling the bike.
He's not even. Fuck, I'm gonna go back to World of Warcraft.
Yeah.
Oh, it was an e-bike! I didn't know that. I'm like, bitches. I know I'm fat, but that's just not right.
Talking about that guy having power.
All right, group hug. Let me show you where we're at, because I don't want to make the call this time. We are nowhere near the trail.
That's awesome.
I don't think we've done this yet.
Who's the guy you need to know? Say it again.
This terrain looks different. It's more sandy. All right, we're getting some wicked shit now. Oh, we're back to the road. Yeah, so if we see a trail anywhere, maybe something to the left this time.
Go right when we get on it.
Yeah, exactly. If we can go into the left side now and make a right, that might be pretty cool to try. Another hill. Ooh, trail before the hill. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Definitely. Ha ha! Score! Going right, that's what we wanted. Yeah. Okay. I guess it's this way. Yep. Unstable bridge. Unstable bridge. Unstable. Let's just in the back of your head, listen. Unstable bridge. Non-stable. Lack of stability. El stablo no goodo. Oh, fuck. I've seen bridges worse than this in New Jersey.
Yeah, we drive across.
We drive across bridges like that, and we stop on them. We pay tolls for bridges that are worse than that.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Nice. Yeah, boy. Yep. Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Sick! Sick!
Yeah, buddy.
Was that fun?
That was good.
That was good.